Hi, I am Dan Michael. I believe that with magic, there is nothing impossible to the naked eye. To see is to believe, and to believe is to dream, and to dream is to survive. That is why I am the master magician.
Sa drum na ito, ay lulubog ako sa malamig na tubig sa loob ng mahabang panahon. Tom, punuin ng drum. Kulang! Tom, ang yellow.
Lamig. Lamig nga.
Lamig nga. Lamig nga. Lamig. Ang kasuotan. Jocelyn, orasan mo!
Dahil sa aking kapangyarihan, nakokontrol ko ang aking metabolismo. Bumabagal ang aking paghinga at pagtibok ng puso. At dahil dito, kaya kong tumagal ng kahit gaano katagal sa loob ng nagyayelong drum.
Jocelyn! Gano'ng katagal?
10 seconds!
10 seconds! Okay, you must pick a card and then write your name. Okay, I will guess the name by looking at your eyes. Your name is Jao Mapa.
You're good, man. You're good, man. You're really good, man. How long have you been a magician?
It depends. Sometimes it's 2 minutes and sometimes it's 10 minutes and minsan it's 10 hours long.
No. You didn't get the question. How long have you been a magician?
It depends really. Sometimes you have a cards and sometimes there's a drum. You didn't get the answers.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's
just
okay. Ang susunod kong magic trick ay nangangailangan ng matinding concentration at isang volunteer. Volunteer! Ba't mo ba naman niya? Swerte niya! Tititigan kita sa iyong mga mata. Salamat. Isa pang volunteer! Ang laki yun! Hasan!
10 seconds! Tapang niyo. Sakit niya, no?
Mga kaibigan, ang gagawin ko, magic trick, ay napakahirap. Lulundag ako sa mga bubog na ito nang walang sapin sa paa. Lulundag na ako. Alauna, alas 2, alas 3.
10 seconds!
What's your favorite trick to date?
My favorite trick is the one in the drum where I was filled in a drum with a lot of ice and water. It's a pretty tingling sensation inside the swimming trunks water.
That's really cool. Nobody can do that, man. So how
No,
long?
no, I can do that.
Wow.
Yes.
Are you familiar with black magic?
Yes, in fact, I'm a black magic. Because my favorite color is a black, and I'm a master magician, so I myself is a black magic. Sometimes I'm a red magic because I'm wearing a red swimming trunks.
What's the difference between black and red magic?
The color itself. Yes, swimming trunks and the favorite color black.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang aking susunod na gagawin ay ipamamalas ang aking kakayahang kontrolin ang aking katawan. Ako ay mananatili sa selyadong kahong ito sa loob ng 40 days and 30 nights na walang pagkain. Tom, pasok mo ko sa kahon!
Dahil sa aking kapangyarihan, nakokontrol ko ang aking metabolismo. Bumabagal ang aking paghinga at pagtibok ng puso. At dahil dito, kaya kong tumagal ng kahit gaano katagal sa loob ng selyadong kahon.
Damdam! Repeat pa!
And which is more powerful, the black or the red?
You know, the cards are two, black and the red. So there is red for the hearts and the diamonds, and the black for the like this one. That's why there are two magics in the market today.
Okay. Do you know David Blaine?
I don't know him!